dear students, welcome to Sandeep's Physics. Life must be preparation for the transition to the another dimension. Today I am discussed about my class, what is dimension, how to write dimension formula, what do you mean by dimension. What is dimension? Dimension is nothing but it can raise to represent or power of the given fundamental physical quantity. Another way I have to write dimension of a physical quantity is nothing but the power of the fundamental physical quantities which can raise to represent the given physical quantity. And what do you mean by dimension formula? It is a formula which tells us how and which fundamental physical quantity have been used for the measurement of the basic physical quantities like mass, length. Then I have to write how to write the dimension formula. How to write dimension formula. Following rules to follows with us. First one is write the mathematical equation of the given physical quantity. Then we split up into basic fundamental physical quantity. In third point, we have to write the capital letters of fundamental physical quantity and raised to be its power, and also encloses them in a square bracket. Now my students, how to write the dimensional formula? First of all, we have to write the mathematical equation of the given physical quantity. Then it will be split up into basic fundamental physical quantity. Then after we have to write the capital letters of the fundamental physical quantity and raised to be its power, and also we encloses them in a square bracket. Some of the following examples according to dimension formula we have to write now. Mass, length, time, area, speed, velocity, density, acceleration. Mass is a single fundamental physical quantity. Then we have to write the dimension formula of the mass m1. Length is also a single fundamental physical quantity, L1. Also time is a single fundamental physical quantity. It is represented in capital letters and also raised to be its power and encloses them in a square bracket. Area, first of all we have to write the mathematical equation according to rule of the dimensional formula. Area is equal to length into breadth. That means L into L equal to L square. That means dimension formula for area will be L square. Velocity, first I have to write the mathematical equation for the velocity. Velocity is the displacement per time. Displacement per time. That means L by T. Then we have to write in dimensional formula m0 because mass is not present in this physical quantity. L1 T minus 1. Another one is density. Density is the relation between mass per volume. Mass per volume. Here we have to write for the dimension formula m1 L minus 3 T0. Then for the acceleration we have to write the dimension formula is equal to velocity per time. Velocity we know, displacement per time, that is L by T into 1 by T, that is L by T square. So dimension formula for the acceleration is m0 L1 T minus 2, m0 L1 T minus 2. Some of the others examples for the dimensional formula I have right now. Force, work and also power. Force is a physical quantity and its mathematical equation will be mass into acceleration. Then it's split up into fundamental physical quantity. Mass into acceleration, v by t. Velocity per time. Velocity is equal to L by T into 1 by T. Velocity is the displacement per time. Then m L by T square. We have to obtain the basic fundamental physical quantity. Then it will be represented in dimension formula. I can write m1 L1 T minus 2 for the dimension formula for the force. Similarly, for work done, work equal to force and a displacement. Work is equal to force and displacement. What do you mean by work? Force and displacement. Mathematical relation for the work is the force and displacement, and mathematical relation for the force is equal to ma. S represents for the displacement. Also we call length m v by t into s is equal to length or displacement L by t into 1 by t into L m L square by t square. This is the split up. We have to first mathematical equation for the work done, then split up into fundamental physical quantity, and also write the capital letters of the fundamental physical quantity raised to its power and encloses them in a square bracket for the work. m1 L2 T minus 2. Then I write for the power is a derived physical quantity and I have to write its dimension formula. P is equal to, its mathematical equation is work per time. Work per time. First of all, I have to write the mathematical equation, then split up into fundamental physical quantity. Work per time. We know work is equal to force into displacement divided by time. S represents for the displacement, L square divided by TQ. Then we have to write the then we have to write the split up form of the fundamental physical quantity. Then I write the dimension formula for the power m1 L2 T minus 3. This is some examples of the dimensional formula. Today class, I hope the class will be interesting for you. Today class is over. Thank you my dear students. Please like, subscribe my channels. Thank you my students.